Welcome, basketball families. I'm Coach Anthony Reid with HoopCasters, and today I want to introduce the parents that are raising young basketball players to a unique way of increasing your family's hoop skills IQ. Okay, families, I know you have heard of IQ and basketball IQ, but in this class, I'm going to show you what makes HoopCasters unique. Okay, I'm going to show you how I can customize learning for you to grow at your pace and at your level. Welcome to HoopCasters basketball families. Today, I'm going to increase your hoop skills IQ, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of what to expect when you take your free hoop skills IQ assessment. We're going to discuss, is HoopCasters Hoop Skills IQ right for your family? We're going to talk about what to expect from your Hoop Skills IQ assessment, your level, your assessment. We're going to show you what to expect, and we're going to get the ball rolling with a free Hoop Skills initial assessment. Your initial assessment is going to include 5 days of free weekly workouts. So we're going to give you a free initial assessment and 5 days of free weekly workouts. What is a weekly workout and how can it help you and your family? These assessments are designed to build on what you're learning during the assessment. I'm going to provide you with training videos. I'm going to give you a post-assessment and a review of that assessment, and you'll be able to continue learning with our weekly workouts. We have mid and post assessments to ensure we're increasing your hoop skills IQ at your pace and your level. I'll be your coach, Coach Anthony Reid. Here's more about me and my basketball background. Okay, let me show you how to get going if you want to continue to increase your hoop skills IQ. Whether you are a parent or a young athlete, when you click the link below in the description, you're going to see this page is going to come up. This is going to explain to you again what you're getting when you register. You have the free 5-day weekly workout, and we have the day 1 through day 5. Once you register, be sure to click this button here that says check this box if you want the 5-day weekly workout. Okay, if you don't check this box, I'm going to assume you just want to take this free assessment and review the answers and simply follow us online to get the answers and explanations of different videos and so forth. Okay, but if you want the weekly workout, check this button. Okay, and then continue. This little short form is just going to tell me a little bit about your basketball background, and from there I'm going to provide you with your assessment within 24 hours. Okay, this will be your initial assessment. After you take the initial assessment, we're going to begin the 5-day weekly workout. Okay, so just complete this short form and I'll see you afterwards to review your results. Okay, here's a quick sneak peek at what you're going to see when you actually take the assessment. You're going to see video questions like this. There'll be multiple choice. Just pick the best answer all by yourself, please, with no assistance. And I'm going to provide you with customized learning material based on your results. And that's how we're going to determine your baseline basketball knowledge and give us a starting point to build from. So be sure to answer honestly and by yourself. and you'll be on your way to increasing your hoop skills IQ right from the comfort of your home. Now, if you choose not to participate in the weekly workouts, then you'll still be able to see your responses and your explanations after you finish the assessment. Of course, you'll be able to see the red is incorrect and green is correct. You'll be able to see how you did on the assessment, and you can continue to learn more and more by simply subscribing to the channel and seeing us explain different videos and give explanations of those videos. So let's have some fun right now and start with a quick warm-up video. The video I'm about to show you is going to be an example of what you can expect when you subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be providing weekly hoop skills IQ questions that are going to increase your hoop skills IQ, just like the question I'm about to show you now. Whenever I upload a video on YouTube, I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to call it our hoop skills IQ question. And when you answer the question, I'm always going to put the answer to the questions in the description. Okay, so you'll be able to look below into the description and get the correct answer. Okay, so let's take a look at the video on the screen and let's have some fun answering this quick question. When you look at the video, you'll see the red team is playing defense. Your question today is, what type of defense is the red team playing? Take a look at the icon, answer the questions, and give me your best choice. I'll be back in 15 seconds with your answer and explanation. Okay, HoopCasters, here's your answer. The red team is playing a 3-2 zone defense. Okay, this is just an example of how I'm going to increase your hoop skills IQ one video at a time. So if you're raising a young basketball player, or you are a young basketball player, I encourage you to go ahead and get registered, and I would love to share my knowledge with you. See you in the first assessment.